Good evening, guys. Today we had to discuss about fundamental quantities: length in meter, mass in kilogram, time in seconds, temperature in Kelvin, electric current ampere, luminous intensity candela, quantity of matter mole. The supplementary quantity we have to use, that is plane angle, radians, solid angle, steradians. Merits of SI units. System of international units merits is a coherent system of units. This means that all derived units are all obtained by multiplication and division without introducing any numerical factor. This means fundamental quantities is main quantity that is derived from the uh, other quantities, that is multiplication division. SI unit is a rational system of units. This is because it assigns only one unit to a particular physical quantity. SI is an absolute system of units. SI system is applicable to all branches of science. The derived units are practical. Definitions of fundamental units. Already you know the definitions. Meter. This is the unit of length. The value of meter is taken previously 1/10 let's cross 16 cross times the wavelength of the light emitted in vacuum due to electron transition. 2p10 5d3 levels in krypton. This is kilogram. We have to use mass. This is measurement of weight and measure kept at a prototype. Platinum, iridium, platinum. Second, we have to know this is not only a measurement of units, measurement in symbols, units in measurements, length, mass, time, temperature, electric and unit. We have to just remember this is not unnecessary, but you have to remember ampere. This is the unit of electric current. To consider two infinitely long parallel straight conductors of negligible cross section separated by 1 meter distance in vacuum. This is the magnitude of electric current passed in which this conductor to produce a force of 2 into 10 power minus 7 Newton. This is the force equal to 2 into 10 power minus 7 Newton per unit length. Between them is